A few weeks ago, I had to change trains to get to my destination, far across in downtown. My friend and I had to walk quite a distance within the subway system, trying to follow confusing directions through tunnels and up and down stairs, when I noticed a woman a few steps in front of me tapping the ground with a white stick. If it was difficult for me to find my way, I could only imagine how she was faring, unsighted. Before I could do anything, I saw a young man with an iPod in his ear, feeding him music that I could hear from where I was, offer him his arm to the woman and help her through the maze and finally to the train. The woman remained on the platform. He got on the same train as we were taking. I went over to him and said, "That was a lovely thing you did. I'm sure that woman appreciated your kindness. And I do too." He grinned widely, and I wondered how many people had thanked him in his young lifetime. To my mind, gestures like his should not go without verbal recognition. We should get used to saying the words and appreciating others and the kindnesses they express in so many different ways. I've also been considering how important it is to receive thanks graciously. Much harder, isn't it? I've been guilty of not respecting another's wish to express their gratitude by saying to them, "Oh, don't be silly, it was nothing," only to hear, "Well, I thought it was something." Indeed, I negated the heartfelt thanks expressed. I don't do that anymore, I hope. I've learned that how we receive thanks is as important as how we give it. Saying, "I loved doing that for you," or "I'm so glad I found something that pleased you," or "It was really my pleasure," or "You deserve to be treated well," can serve to reinforce the receiver's feeling of importance to us. We are in desperate times and also in hopeful times. Let's all be grateful that we are here, now, and can help make this world a better place. Be good to yourself and be good to someone else every day.